Aphrodite. Oh, Aphrodite. Can I open up my eyes again? Shooting time as my heart defends. Praying to God for some better sense. Waking to God for the hell is this? Is it wrong that I work today? I wonder constantly if I should stay. Hoping maybe I can see you bloom. Only hoping that you don't fade. Even though this wouldn't make a change. Hoping someday we can celebrate to all the joy that we once gained. Only made by some champagne. Keep it true to your word now. Relax until you start rosing. Let the sun be your clothes now. I want to see you at your all great. I wish this lasts for a long while, but know that someday we must separate. But while you staying, let me hold ya. Praying that you say okay. Oh, Aphrodite. Oh, Aphrodite. Oh, Aphrodite. Oh, Aphrodite. I really hope this keep going. Nothing fit better than seeing love in the morning. I keep the pasture flowing, so keep mowing. I love everyone who keeps me going. Keep the love.